Hello, my friend. Welcome to the Code with Reza channel. My name is Reza and I'm here to teach you Python from scratch. So sit back and enjoy the course. Another useful data type built into Python is the dictionary. It is best to think of a dictionary as a set of key value pairs with the requirement that the keys are unique. A pair of braces creates an empty dictionary. So let's create an empty dictionary. Let's say users equals so users is an empty dictionary. So if you remember, this one was for lists, this one was for tuples, and now it is for dictionary. Uh, Sets also use this one. So let's assume we have users defined as Reza active and Sam active. If you look at this one, you can see that Reza is a key, active is value, Sam is key, inactive is value. So we have two items here, two key value pairs here. Now let's look at users. So this is a dictionary with two items in it. Now let's get the value which is stored for Reza. We can say, okay, we have users, we have the key which is Reza, we pass the key here, and it gives us the value for the key Reza, which is active. This here. We can add to the dictionary like this. We can say users Ali, it's a new key, equals active. Now look at users Reza, Sam, and Ali at the end. So we can, by using this notation, this statement, we can add to our user's dictionary. The interesting thing is, if Ali already exists, this will update the value for Ali. But if Ali doesn't exist, then it creates a new item and puts it to the dictionary. So let's update the dictionary. It's the same as above. For example, Ali equals inactive. Inactive. Now, because Ali exists in the dictionary, it just changes the value from active to inactive. Users, Ali inactive. We can remove from dictionary using del keyword. We can say, for example, delete from users the item which starts with the key Ali. So users, no Ali anymore. We can create a list from the keys in a dictionary. So if you look at the users dictionary, there is one key here, another key here. We can create a list. If we pass the dictionary to the list, it will create a list using the keys in the dictionary. So look at here, Reza and Sam. Both are keys in the dictionary. We can sort the keys using sorted. So I'm saying users. So it sorts the users dictionary, but sorts the keys and returns the keys. Reza and Sam. And we can sort in reverse. Sorted users and reverse equals true. So the first is Sam and then Reza. We can check if an item is in the dictionary. For example, we can say Reza in users, which says true. We can also create a dictionary using dict function. We have a function which is dict. What we can do is interesting. We can say Reza, for example, is 42 years old and Ali is 50 years old. If you look at here, we don't put Reza and Ali in a single quote. It's not like this. We don't put it in a single quote. Also, we don't use colon here. We use equals. And look at what happens. Reza 42, Ali 50. It's a dictionary, but Reza goes inside single quote, Ali goes inside single quote, and equals will change to colon. The last way of creating this dictionary is the same thing that we had as a list comprehensions uh, that I talked about it in the list video. We can say, for example, a key of x and the value of x to the power of 2 for x in, it has a tuple, which is a sequence, 2, 4, 6. So it goes to this sequence, 2, 4, and 6, and assigns the 2 as the key, and then to the power of 2 to the value. Look at here. 2 goes to 2 and 4 is a key value. Then 4 comes here, 4 and 16. And then 6 come here, 6 and 36. That's all about dictionary. Now let's talk about range in Python. The range type represents an immutable sequence of numbers. We cannot modify them. When we say immutable, it means we cannot modify them. We can create a range like this, range 0 to 10. But we cannot see inside range, but like this. There's a trick. We can create a list of a range so that we can see the range visually. 0 to 9. So range from 0 to 10 starts from here, goes up to this one, but excluding this one. So goes up to 10, but not including 10. 0 to 9. Another one is list, for example, 10, range 10. We don't pass the first argument. So it always assumes that it is 0. Again, it starts from 0. We can say list range of 1 and 11, for example. So it starts from 1, goes up to 10, because it is excluding 11. And something interesting here. Look at here. I can say list of range from 0, start from 0, go to 30, but do not add 1 by 1. Add 5 on every step. Look at here, 0, and the next one is 5. What we specify here. It goes to 5, and then goes to 10, and then 15. It adds on every step, it adds 5 up to 30. 30 shouldn't be part of it. Now let's look at this one. This is also an interesting. It goes backward. So list of range from 0 go to minus 10 and decrement 1 by 1. Get here, starts from 0, goes up to 9, no 10, 10 is excluded, and on each step it removes 1, reduces 1 from the values. And if you want to create an empty range, we can say range 0. This is an empty range. This is an empty range. Range is a sequence in Python, and as a result, all common sequence operations are applicable here too. I have already talked about these common sequence operations in details in the part 2 of this tutorial, so please watch that first. Here I will only briefly go through them so that you can review it with me. So for example, assume we have t, which is a range of 0 to 20 with the increase of 2 on each step. Well, we can see it like this: 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up to 18, no 20. We can check if 11 is in T, false. 10 is in T, true, of course. 10 is here. We can check for the index, T dot index of 10. What do you think we will see here? So the index of the 10 is here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it should show us the index is 5 here. Yes, correct. Now let's look at the elements at the index of 5, which is 10. Elements start from beginning, go up to 5. It's very interesting. It gives you a range. It says, okay, if you want to go from 0 to 5, this is 0 and this is 5. So it become a range from 0 to 10 with increments of 2 units every time. It's an interesting thing. We can look for the last element. This is 18. If you look at here, this is 18. It's the last element. We can use the check the length of t, which is 10 items in it. We can get the mean of t, 0, max of t, 18, sum of t, 90, and count of number 5. There's no number 5, so it should return 0. Yes. Please note that adding two ranges is not supported. So if we have T1 range and S another range, we cannot do this. Well, this is the part 4 of this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. These videos are designed to be short and quick, but at the same time cover all aspects of the language. So please do not forget to watch these videos a couple of times. I will upload the next part the next couple of days. Please subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching and see you guys later.